serving Pocahontas near the cranberry glaze. Ain't got bars nor the charge to call her anyways. My mind's a mile a minute, my thoughts that bark like hounds. I focus on my breathing and the universal sound. I think about my darling girl, sleeping all alone. I pray the stars will shoot her all the wishes she can hold. On the day that I return, I aim to lay her down, but right now I'm focused on the universal sound. I think about tobacco juice and mason jars of shine. I think about the vices I've let take me over time. I recall when I was a baby, I didn't need nothing around but a little bitty rattler and the universal sound. I closed my eyes, it was all so clear. It was all right then, it was all right here. I focus on my breathing and the universal sound. I let it take me over from the toenails to the crown. In the body that I'm in, and they put me in the ground. And I return to the chorus of the universal sound. I've been up on the mountain, I've seen His wondrous grace. I've sat there in a bar stool and I looked Him in the face. He seemed a little haggard, but it did not slow Him down. He was humming to the neon of the universal sound.